Hey guys, I'm Matt. This is the MacBook Pro 16-inch. The processor is Intel Core i9, and the RAM is 32 gigabyte. The storage is 1 terabyte. And now you can see the CPU information. And let me show you the GPU. Okay, you can see the GPU of 4 gigabyte, and you can see the battery, the cycle count 599. And this is a beautiful condition. Now you can see the space gray. Okay, and let me show you the touch bar. Okay, you can see the touch bar, no problem. And okay, now you can see the keyboard backlight, no problem. Okay, the keyboard backlight, no problem. And let me show you the top cover. You can see top cover, no scratches. And let me show you the back cover. Okay, you can see the back cover also no problem. He has a sticker mark. Okay, no problem. And let me show you the okay, you can see the type C ports no problem. And, okay, this corner, okay, minor scratches. And here, this corner, minor scratch here also. The charging port no problem. Okay, this corner also no problem. Overall in good condition. And let me show you the 60-inch display. Okay, here's low battery, no worry. 9%. Okay, and let me change the wallpaper and change another color. Okay, you can see the screen, no problem. The screen, no problem. This is 60-inch display. Okay, here's dust, no worry, dust, no worry. Okay, the beautiful screen, and let me show you the red color. Also, the red color, no problem. The beautiful screen. Okay, and let me show you the other function, the camera. Let me show you. Okay, you can see the camera, no problem. Hey guys. Okay, and let me show you the other function, the Touch ID and fingerprint. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we can see the fingerprints. No problem, the fingerprint. Okay. Let me show you the specs one more time. This is a Intel i9 32 gigabyte and 60-inch, 1 terabyte. Okay, this is a beautiful screen. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Okay, this is a beautiful machine. Okay.